Things which you have in your mind while you were planning to expand your business here in India?
India is a huge country, like my own country, Brazil. So we want to find a specific type of people, the people that are looking towards their health, the people that want to take care of their body. Our product is more niche. It's not something that's completely known in India yet, but that's our main goal, to make this very popular. And we want people to be health conscious and eat good.
How's your relationship with FranGlobal in today's time?
FranGlobal is a new partner for us. We've been with FranGlobal for maybe 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
But everything we've been doing together has been fantastic so far. This is our first event with them, and we hope to grow the relationship.
How do you see this particular event which is happening here at GAW Marriott is going to help you run in getting brand awareness and customers attraction?
Yeah, we been visited by many potential investors, and they are the type of people who's going to take the brand to the different level. Of course, I'm not from India. I don't know 100% the market.
Yes.
So we need people in the territory that's going to take us there, and somebody who believes in the brand. So we are quite positive.
So wouldn't it be wrong if I say that you're looking for those kind of people who are already having experience in this field?
Yeah, it's always good to have somebody already with experience, especially when you take like multiple branches. So it's good somebody who has all these techniques and can follow the employees and suppliers. It's not easy thing to build up multiple stores. If you look into a single unit, it makes easier. Somebody who is passionate about food or wants to have their own business is also a very good alternative.